Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSK Trading Academy. Guys, you can see the list of all the stocks I have already analyzed. There are two more pending, that is Sun TV for long term and Titan. This is what I will be analyzing in this video. All other 27 stocks I have analyzed and I have uploaded in the YouTube. You can go and check it out. And also for intraday strategy, I'll be sharing a link in the description box, and I'll try to make more detailed video on that strategy to use it in different type of breakouts. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates, and also join the Telegram channel. The link has been shared in the description box. You'll get all the regular updates over there. Now let's go and analyze Sun TV. Let's see why Sun TV is good for long term, and Titan as well. Okay, let me go ahead and check out with monthly chart first. Let's draw a trend line here. Or let me first try drawing the channel. Guys, you can observe one thing here. The simple analysis what I'm trying to show you. Whenever the stock has bounced from this certain level, right, it has touched this level. You can see here, bounce from this level, it has touched this resistance level. Again, recently it has bounced from this level, so there are good chances it can touch up to 745 or 750. This is the first simple thing what I want to explain you, then I'll go to the next steps as well. This will be the key level where we can see prices come up to, right? Anything between 730 or 730 to 850. And next, let me move to other pattern. You can just check out here. This, remember, this 50 moving average will be a key support or resistance. A break above this, yes, we can expect 850 or more than that as well. Let me mark the targets here. You can mark these targets and go ahead with this. This is a max level. Once it breaches this level, the all-time high, then probably we can see some more momentum on the upside, right? And the next important thing what I want to tell you is, on monthly time frame, if you see, it had formed something like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. See, this is one what I'm trying to show you. This was on zones, right? This was on zones. I just showed you a simple behavior. Now let me go, I'll remove all these drawings and I'm going to the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Before that, you can mark these levels if you want in the zones in your system, and you can check out these zones and these targets what I mentioned you, and also this 50 moving average. And now let me remove all these drawings and I'll show you what is the inverted head and shoulder I'm talking about. This is the first time in this month, though this month is not completed, we are seeing a close above this. Let me go to weekly chart. So let's see if it has given a weekly close. Yes, it has given a weekly close, probably in Jan 4th itself. Okay, now what next? You can see here. Now this 200-day moving average, we can use it as a target on the upside. This 200-day moving average, and break above that. We can expect some good movement on the upside. This will be the next targets what we have. We mark it. This 200, 630 to 652 will be a tight zone, guys. Let me mark this zone. This is a simple reason why I feel like Sun TV can be a good stock to buy for long term. The next targets will be somewhere here. These can be the targets on the upside. I marked all the targets. It has also formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern. All these targets, right, 714, 803, 914, 106 and 1103. This is what I feel like it can happen in Sun TV. It's also an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and I had also shown some time back how this zones and also this channel, right, a few minutes back I had shown you how this how did I derive the targets based on channel as well. This is a simple thing what I have on Sun TV. Try to keep your analysis very simple, it will be very useful. The more you complicate, the more confusion will arrive. Now let's go to the last stock, that is Titan. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let me go to daily chart. Well, I had mentioned here it's about 200 moving average. Sorry, okay. But here obviously the stock is about 200 moving average, no doubt in that. I think I had checked weekly or monthly chart. Let me check it out. This is a weekly basis. Let me draw the trend line here. Okay, this trend looks good. Let me check out in linear chart. This is a good move. Okay, this was recently a breach in the trend line, and then the stock had started falling down. Okay guys, let's see what our analysis is for the upcoming week. Now here, if you see this particular area, somewhere around 50 moving average has been holding very strong. Okay, now for tomorrow in Titan, let me explain you very simple analysis. I'll mark a range high and range low. This is going to be my range high and this is going to be my range low, right? The stock is trading well above 50 moving average and 200 moving average. Now in case tomorrow we see any if price sustains below this range low, which has also formed something like a shooting star, you can see here this particular candle looks like a shooting star, right? And you can just check out how the behavior has been previously. Whenever it has broken from this range low, it has fallen down, right? See here, it has fallen down here. So tomorrow in case we see price trading below this range low, we can expect this 50 moving average as the first target. Then we can derive other targets based on the support and resistance. Okay, let me mark that. So make sure you watch out this 50 moving average. If once it starts trading below this range low, that is 150.04.50, we can expect prices move and hit 1483 or 1485, and below that 1460 and 1451, and you can take it the target as 1420 in case price starts heading on the downside, right? Okay, this is a simple analysis. It has formed a shooting star. That's the reason I'm expecting it can reverse. But nothing is guaranteed in stock market. Whenever you get your setup, whenever you get an opportunity, trade based on that. Don't try to create an opportunity yourself. Wait for market to give you an opportunity. And once you're in profit, start trailing your stop loss. And remember one thing, stop loss is very important while trading, or else there are good chances you can lose all your capital, right? So Titan, I have explained you, and I have also explained you why Sun TV is good for long term. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. I almost analyzed all 29 stocks. Everything is on YouTube now. You can go and check it out. And by 7:30 I'll try to share tomorrow's trade plan on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Alright guys, thank you all. Have a good day.